Hello, this is a training video on how to set up exterior trim in WinDoor Quote. Exterior trim are things like nailing fins, brick molds, and stucco flanges. You will find the menu by going to Setup, Products, Options, then Exterior Trim. To create a new exterior trim profile, click Menu, Create New. In here you will type in the name that you want to display on the dealer side. We will type in Colonial Brick Mold. We typically price it out by the perimeter inch. So that is the inches around the perimeter of the individual unit or the overall mold assembly. So it'll be width plus height of the overall line item. Here you can assign which series this specific trim is available in by checkboxing it. And then you could type in a price per inch. Let's say for this brick mold, we charge 55 cents per inch. Maybe for shapes we go with a higher price because they're more difficult to manufacture. Let's call it 80 cents per inch. That creates the pricing for the exterior trim profile. Our system also calculates what we call the brick mold to brick mold dimensions. So this eliminates a lot of calculation for installers so they can verify if the window with the selected trim will fit within an existing opening. So here's where you add in the amount that's added to the width of it, so that would be the jambs. Let's say this adds in 5 inches. And then we also separate header from sill. The reason for that is you don't always have a symmetrical profile around a window or door. Sometimes you have a slope sill profile or a flat sill profile. So we will say, all right, it's 2.5 inches for the header, and then there's a slope sill profile, so we'll say 1.75. So utilizing these dimensions, if we had a mold assembly that was 60 inches wide, 60 inches tall, for the width it would calculate a brick mold to brick mold dimension of 65 inches, 60 plus 5. To save the brick mold, click Menu, Save and Close. On the series setup page, you can control if the brick mold to brick mold dimensions are utilized. So you would click yes, it's for the jamb, yes, include it for the header, and yes, include it for the sill. A situation where you wouldn't utilize the sill would be a entry door or sliding patio door because you wouldn't add a brick mold profile to that location. In addition to the exterior trim profiles, you can control your rough opening dimensions right here. So this helps with framers. They would know what size of rough opening to frame based upon the data provided by WinDoor Quote. To save it, click Menu, Save and Close.